Hey there. You guys want to harvest some potatoes?
You know, potatoes. Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew. All right, welcome back to another video, you guys, here on the Idaho Panhandlers. My name's Danny, your host, and today we're going to be finally harvesting our crop of potatoes that we've been waiting on all summer long. It's basically nearing the end of August 2023 here in northern Idaho, and it's time. Our potato plants are all looking very sickly, and that only means one thing. It's that it's time to harvest them. So if you guys have been following along on the channel for any period of time, you'll know that we planted 3 species of potatoes this year in 6 5-gallon buckets, and then we have 2 kind of half wine barrels full of potatoes here planted also. So basically the plan is to just bring the buckets out, put them on a tarp, dump them out, and we're gonna see how we did, how our harvest did for the year. Oh God. And if I join you. All right, I actually just watered them this morning. I wasn't quite planning on making this video, but so they might be a little moist here. But these are our purple Viking potatoes that we planted back on May 12th, 2023, and today is the 28th of August, so a little over 3 months. Let's go ahead and dump them out and see how we did here. All right. All right, let's just do bucket number 1 here. All right, look out. I feel like I should have potatoes by now. Oh, all right. Look at that. Wow. Look at those. Huh. Pretty wild. These look amazing. Hey, no. Believe this is a rotten one, unless it's the old seed potato, which it definitely could be. This is awesome. These did fantastic. All right. Kind of like an adult Easter egg hunt. All right. One, 2, 3, 3 1/4. Call it 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a good size. 8, 9, 10. 11. I don't know if that's potato. That's just dirt. There's some baby ones here. 12. What'd I say, 12? Plus a bunch of little small guys. Looks like we've got some weather coming in, folks. So here's one for you. Why did the 5-gallon bucket full of potato plants get heavier? Because they were filled with potatoes. So this one is the Dark Red Norland. This was the first species that we planted. I think it's a pretty common one, I believe. But we planted it on 5/1/23, May 1st, 23. Let's see how we do here. Oh yeah. You know? Check that out. About the size of my hand. It's not saying much, but it's a big potato. All right, 1. That's a small guy. 2. A couple small ones. 3. I'll tell you what, this is so satisfying. 4, 5, 6, 7. Small guy. I think the satisfying part to growing potatoes is just the unknown of how it's going to do and how your harvest is going to actually come out like. Look at that. Got another small guy. We'll call that 8. There we are. Come on. Oh, oh look. What are you doing coming out all premature? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a big one. 5. A couple of these small guys. 6. Or no, stick at 5. 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah. 9, 10, 11-ish. This is the Charlotte species, the Charlotte variety of the potato. And I actually misspoke at the beginning of the video. I swore that I had 2 5-gallon buckets of Charlotte planted, but I only have this single one, and then I have a full half wine barrel, big boy, full of Charlotte. So we're going to empty the Charlotte one out and we'll see how it did. This is definitely the slow grower of the group. The plant didn't get huge, and I'm a little bit curious as to how it actually performed. So let's dump out the Charlotte and see how it did. It's supposedly supposed to be a really good container potato to grow. All right. Let's see here. There we go. Mush, mush, mush. I think these are definitely supposed to be smaller potatoes too, but that, my friends, that's a Charlotte potato. Nice. This one did great. They're all really pretty common size. Not one potato is all that much bigger than the other. Not a bad harvest right there of Charlotte potatoes. Okay, so all the 5-gallon buckets are accounted for. We've harvested all the potatoes out of them, and now we've got the 2 half wine barrels to do. Okay, starting with the Charlotte potatoes here. Let's just see how they do. Ooh, a snail. Well, might be able to use these next year. All right. I see some potatoes. Potatoes. Oh my goodness. Wow. These have some size to them compared to the bucket ones that we did. Maybe there's something to it. Wow. Holy cow. Here, let's kind of put them over here. Those are some big potatoes. All right. Seed potato. All right. Might be all of them. That's not the best, but they were pretty good size though. All right, last potato harvest of 2023. This is the half wine barrel of Dark Red Norlands right here. Oh yeah, baby. Just kind of put them right here. Nice, nice, nice. That's a good sized potato. All right, you come out here. Oops. Oh, we still got more on this side. Look at that. Yeah, a baby. Nice. All right, you guys, so that is our potato harvest for the year 2023. We've got our Charlotte potatoes, our Dark Red Norland potatoes, and our purple Viking species of potatoes. And overall, I think we had a really successful harvest, and I'm really excited with how everything turned out, especially for it being my first year growing potatoes ever, especially in 5-gallon buckets and half wine barrel containers. But overall, super happy with how everything turned out, and I'm excited to try these guys and eat them. The plan is moving forward is to eat about only half of each species, and then the other half is going to go to seed potatoes for next year's harvest. And then hopefully as the years progress, we'll be able to grow a lot more potatoes in the future. But if you guys enjoy this content and want to see what we do moving forward next year in 2024, be sure to leave a big thumbs up on this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the Idaho Panhandlers. We will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.